Oh shit.
Oh, I see a scooter. I had to get him. We're fixing to have legal complaints calling in Auburn. Y'all have got a motherfucking van coming through Midtown. We see it again. We're shooting the windows out. I can't do the whole thing. I can't do the whole thing. I can't do a whole person, sorry. I give him over a heart attack. I couldn't live with myself.
Hey, there's some non-old.
Whoa, motherfucker!
Hey, you know what's been cool about that? I would have had that on tape, them backing out on us.
Ready?
Yep. Oh shit, dude, that's fucking hella funny. Oh shit.
Oh, he's so smart. No, over.
Shit.
Good thing we didn't do anything. We're sitting still.
Oh shit, that's funny.
What's funny is when you get behind somebody that's going over the railroad track, looks like.